Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today is my last video before my surgery. So I wanted to take it easy with my videos this week and prepare myself for the upcoming surgery. So this week I'm going to take you guys on an outing. I'm going to share with you how I spent this past Saturday. Now, if you stay until the end, I'll share what I picked up and how I styled it. So I started out having lunch with a friend. Now, she did not want to be on camera, so I like to respect people's wishes. Now, while we were eating lunch, we could see the rooftop of Restoration Hardware, and it's always so pretty and peaceful, and I asked her if she wanted to head over and see the rooftop views. Now, if you're not familiar with Restoration Hardware, it is a furniture store and they specialize in high-end furniture and decor, as well as lighting. Now, I didn't show any of the showroom today, but I do have some Restoration Hardware prior videos in one of my playlists, and I'll link it down below. And if anyone is interested, once I'm back on my feet, we can visit there and see some of the newer decor and furnishings. All right, so next I went into Trader Joe's. I was looking for some flowers and I didn't see the ones that I wanted, but I did come out with some eucalyptus. And then I picked up some sparkling apple cider vinegar drinks. So next I went over to Macy's. I needed to pick up some makeup, and of course when I'm in Macy's, I'm always gonna stop and look at some of my favorite designers. Now, I'm not sure if some of you knew that when I lived in Chicago, I worked in many of the high-end stores in the designer salons, and so I have a love for DKNY. Is one of my favorite because it's more casual, and then I love Donna Karan. Two of my favorite designers. Of course, I had many back in the day, but I tend to stick more to DKNY, and then some of the other designers who have more of a casual line. Now, it can be pricey, so I always stop in at the last act here at Macy's to get some of these high-end designer looks on a budget. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll share with you what I picked up, and if there's time, I might model a couple items. Okay, so from Trader Joe's, I just picked up the sparkling apple cider drinks, and they had 3 different flavors. These are really good, guys. This one is elderberry and pomegranate, lemon and strawberry, and then they had, and I'm not sure about this one, ginger and lemon. Ginger can be spicy, and we know lemon can be a little bitter, so I just picked it up to try it out. Maybe it'll be good, maybe it won't. And then I picked up a sandwich. I thought we might have a sandwich and some salad for dinner tonight, so this sounded pretty interesting. Turkey apple cheddar sandwich. It has turkey breast with sliced apples. Now, I've never had sliced apples on a sandwich, but I thought, maybe worth trying. Aged cheddar cheese, baby arugula, and then some Dijon mayonnaise spread on a multi-grain roll. So that sounds interesting. Yeah, I just wanted something lightweight for dinner because the salmon we had for lunch today, it was kind of heavy for me, so I just wanted dinner to be pretty light. And then I went in for some hydrangeas in the white or blue color. Couldn't find it. They did have some smaller ones, but it wasn't what I was looking for. But you can always pick up the eucalyptus and put them in a vase by themselves, and they smell so good. So I picked these up. I thought I may put one in my powder room and then the other maybe on the kitchen island. So yeah, that's what I picked up at Trader Joe's. All right, guys, so here are a few of the items that I picked up. I got this nice little t-shirt. It looks like a camisole and a cardigan, but it's one piece, and it was $6.93, and this came from the last act area. I got another one. This is INC, and this is a brand that I really like to buy. This one was $4.93, and it's just a nice basic long sleeve V. And so I did pick up this sweater, which is very pretty. It has an off the shoulder little neckline, and it's very soft, and I love the color. So it's from Steve Madden, and the price was $4.96. So I got a sweatshirt. This was $4.96. And then one of the last items that I picked up was this slip dress. Now my husband said, is that lingerie? And of course not, but it was a good price at $8.46. And this is one of my favorite colors. That's what I picked up. I think all of these pieces here together came to $30. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you didn't mind the little departure from home decor, but like I said before, I really wanted to keep today's video pretty simple leading into this Friday's surgery. I wanted to go into surgery relaxed and with a clear mind. So yeah, we have not sure what type of videos I'm going to share going forward, but please do tune in because I do plan on uploading something, and in order to keep my channel afloat while I'm away and when I come back, I'm going to need you guys' participation in watching the channel. I really would love it and appreciate if you guys show up for me while I'm recovering from my surgery. Thanks so much. Love you guys, and I'll see you real soon. All of my prayer warriors, you know what to do.